You may be wondering, are learning outcomes really all that important? The answer is yes, absolutely. These statements have a number of benefits. They help trainees focus in on a handful of goals instead of trying to tackle every new piece of information or every new skill that might be required by the training but isn't necessarily important enough to be considered an outcome. As I designed this course, the weekly outcomes were first identified by using the information the business school had collected through its needs assessment. Administrators asked a focus group of HR professionals to identify the competencies that students in this major should try to develop before they graduate. These weekly outcomes helped me focus on the most important training content, helped me create the application-based assignments, and helped me ensure that the content was tied to the HRMG's overarching strategy to prepare you for a career in HR. HR managers might use learning outcomes to make sure that the programs are aligned with the company's business strategy and with the HR department's strategy as well. Top leaders may evaluate the performance of the HR department by reviewing whether learning outcomes are being met. If the department consistently meets its outcomes, great. If it doesn't, the department may need something, there may be some other issue that needs to be addressed.